What if your service business could run itself, answering clients, creating deliverables, and sending files without hiring anyone? Today, I'm going to show you the exact ChatGPT plus Zapier workflow that turns a manual service business into a hands-free automated system. Most service businesses don't fail because of demand, they fail because of manual work. Automation fixes that, and AI makes it affordable. Here's the exact automation stack we're using to create a hands-free system. We use ChatGPT to generate the work, Google Forms for collecting client information, Zapier to connect everything, and Google Docs or Notion for final delivery. Everything starts with a simple intake form. Let's look at how to set this up. Instead of back-and-forth emails, ask clients to fill out a short form with essential details like their name, business type, goal, preferred tone, and any examples. Keep the form simple, because clear inputs create much better AI outputs. Now here's where the magic happens. Setting up the automation inside Zapier. Inside Zapier, the trigger is simple. When a new Google form response is submitted, the action is to send a professional prompt to ChatGPT. Zapier automatically injects the client's answers, so there's no manual copying or pasting. ChatGPT creates the deliverable instantly. Next comes automatic delivery, ensuring the client receives the work without your intervention. Zapier creates a Google Doc or Notion page, pastes the AI-generated output, and names the file using the client's name and the date. You can even add an automated email that says, "Your project is ready," and includes the document link. Your service business is now officially hands-free. This exact workflow is already being used for freelancers, agencies, and gigs to scale without burnout. You set it up once, and the system runs every time. That's how you turn a side hustle into a sustainable system. If this helped you see what's possible with AI automation, subscribe to Purposefully AI for more simple systems that create real income. Here's what to do today. Choose one service. Build a simple Google form, connect it to ChatGPT using Zapier, test it with a fake client, and then launch your offer. Start simple and improve as you go.